Hannah Hayes, and I am a third-year PhD candidate in the chemistry department, working under Dr. Peter Kroll. I will be presenting today my work on the substantial weight gain by oxidation of a porous SiCO gel under inert atmospheres, which is the focus of our current publication that is under revision. Porous SiCO materials have a wide range of applications due to their low density, high specific surface area, and porous structure. During pyrolysis or heat treatment, the sample converts to a ceramic. Impurities incorporated during this process can have a profound impact on the properties like its mechanical stability. We use inert gases during the heat treatment process to aid in the removal of the gaseous species that are developed during the heat treatment. Unfortunately, no gas is truly pure, even when using inert gases. Even just 10 ppm or parts per million of impurities can impact the overall structure. Understanding the polymer to ceramic conversion is important to optimize processing routes. We believe trace impurities of oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide found within the inert gas are causing oxidation, which results in a large apparent mass gain in the thermogravimetric analysis. We first prepare a gel material using the scheme provided, then use thermogravimetric analysis, or TGA, to study the thermal decomposition. The first figure in the results section, figure 3, shows the weight percent as a function of temperature under different gases. Typically during heat treatment, as the sample is heated, the material only loses mass. However, here you can see that under argon, helium, and nitrogen, which are considered to be inert, you see a mass increase beginning around 750 degrees. These results were then confirmed on a different instrument at the University of Trento in Italy, which can be seen in figure 4. This was done both under nitrogen and helium. On our instrument at UTA, we then installed an oxygen trap within the gas stream in order to pull out oxygen and water impurities from the gas. As you can see from figure 5, the mass gain is reduced, but not fully removed. The trap only removes water and oxygen and does not remove carbon dioxide. The residual increase is likely due to that carbon dioxide. Using a lid creates a semi-closed system that does not allow the impurities to react with the material, which results in a flattened curve, shown in green. FTIR was then conducted on the residue left after TGA. The shoulder at about 1200 inverse centimeters suggests an increase of silica, or SiO2, consistent with oxidation of the sample. Unfortunately, only 2 to 3 milligrams actually remain after thermogravimetric analysis, since we're starting with about 3 to 5, which isn't actually enough for other analysis. Larger samples were prepared using the tube furnace shown in figure 7 under similar conditions. The resulting material was then sent to Germany for chemical analysis. The increase in oxygen from 700 degrees C to 800 degrees C sample confirms that oxidation did in fact occur. In the future, we will continue working with the Max Planck Institute in order to acquire TGA that is coupled with evolved gas analysis in order to get a fuller picture. We will study the reaction mechanism of the oxidation and the kinetics of these reactions. In summary, we are the first to observe and report this phenomenon. The oxidation of an SiCO material is due to trace impurities, which has not been previously studied. The mass gain is observed on several instruments under different gases. The use of an oxygen trap reduces the impurities of the mass gain but does not completely remove them. Using a lid further reduces the apparent mass gain. Chemical analysis confirms that oxidation occurred. This material can be used as a probe to test your gas supply for trace impurities, and understanding how this oxidation occurred may play a large role in the production of better materials. Thank you.